Hey, I'm Adam with Canik USA, here today to talk about the Canik Rival. This is the newest iteration of the Canik line. Obviously, we launched the Mete a couple months ago with great success. We took the products and parts that people really loved about that gun and then souped it up to make our race car of a gun in the Canik Rival. Comes in two tones, obviously, with our Canik Cerakote Gray, and then the dark side as well, which is the all-black version. And the big things to know. So on the Mete, the really neat talking points, the neat changes from the TP series, where the ability is completely modular, 4 pins, so easy punch in, punch out pins, completely disassemble, reassemble the gun. You've got obviously a much more aggressive grip texturing, integrally flared magwell, which then allows for easy assembly of the external magwell. You've got ambidextrous slide release, reversible mag release, which on this gun comes in 3 sizes, 3 extra back straps, double undercut trigger guard, ergonomically redesigned beaver tail. This one comes with adjustable sights, so front, up, down, left, right, fiber optic front sight in red and green, and then we're just talking the basics of the Rival. You'll notice super aggressive slide serrations all across, makes this gun easy to rack from pretty much anywhere on the platform, as well as obviously a ported slide and some really cool aftermarket touches to the barrel. You'll notice a fluting on it, as well as on the top, just little details that make this one of those, proud points in your arsenal. That's something that's just sexy. Then you've obviously got a mil-spec 1913 pick rail, and you've got a Canik trigger on steroids. So Canik's been known for their triggers for years. Now you've got an aluminum lightened diamond cut 90-degree break trigger. The trigger on here is something that can only be described as butter. It's something that's really smooth, really crisp. The reset on it's really short. The pull is about 3.5 pounds. Just something that you can be proud of. Stay on target, get those quick second shots. And with the weight of the Rival, you'll notice it's a little different. Really keeps that muzzle rise down. We're just excited about this gun. Comes with a speed holster, 2 18-round mags, hard case, toolkit, everything, for under $700. MSRP is $679, and you know there's going to be some competition and wiggle room on that as well. Comes out now. It's in stores. Check it out. Really excited about it, and we hope you are too. Of course, you can check us out on all social media platforms at Canik USA. So it's at Canik USA, all one word. And you can get more information at CanikUSA.com.